Do you know you can actually make money here on TikTok? Right now in this video, we're going to be creating an international TikTok account. This TikTok account is a brand new international account. Hey guys, welcome back to Star Queen Sisters. It's your girl Bester, and at the background is your girl Sharona. So right now in this video, we're going to be learning how to create an international TikTok account. Yes, our account is in the UK or the US. Right now, wherever you are in Africa, I'm in Nigeria. So how do I create an account in America or UK when I'm in Nigeria? Yes, that's what we're going to do in this video. So we as the Star Queen Sisters have faceless channels. We also have face channels. We are using our face that has been monetized. Our faceless channel has actually been monetized. We started a brand new face channel. So guys, when we talk about international TikTok account, we talk about monetization. This page is what you're going to use to make money, because you are now creating an account in an eligible country, and that eligible country is the original TikTok, where you can get paid per post or per videos you can send on that particular page. So you get paid daily, weekly, like anytime you want to receive your money on TikTok. So we're going to be creating that brand new account to accomplish that. As a content creator, family person, lifestyle, whatever you are, you can be filming your behind the scene exact of your daily life as an individual or person, and be getting thousands of dollars just from it. So now we're going to be creating an international TikTok account. That account is called UK. We're going to be creating that account in the United Kingdom or the USA. So we need two things to create that international TikTok account. We need a brand new email, and we need a free VPN. So guys, in this video, I want you guys to go create a brand new email with the name that you want to put on that brand new TikTok account. So go create a brand new email. So after you're done creating a brand new email, kind of the next step to actually do is to know the kind of content you actually want to create in that brand new TikTok. Now, the free VPN we're going to use is called VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Is on your screen. It is blue and it's very, very easy to operate. So now we're going to be setting up our VPN on our phone. Now the idea of the VPN is to actually change our location from Nigeria to the United Kingdom or USA. Yes, so that we can actually create our account in that country. So we are changing our location from Nigeria or wherever African country you are to the UK or the USA. So I want you guys to create a UK account. So we're changing our location from Nigeria to United Kingdom. So now, like I said, if you have gotten your free email, if you have gotten your brand new email, next is to download the free VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. And if you have done just that, the next step is to set the VPN on your phone. So now you're going to learn how to set the VPN on your phone. This is the VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. It's the blue one. So you're going to open it. Then once you open it, you see that screen. Make sure you don't subscribe to anything or press continue, because you actually want to use the free version. So always opt out of that. Like you can see, I'm opting out of that exact subscription situation. Now I'm opening up to my location. Up there, the arrow there, it says change location. Now I'm looking for United Kingdom, that is UK. So I'm looking for the UK flag on the side. Just look at it to the exact kind of color I picked and to the exact kind of VPN I picked. The numbers don't matter. Each of them actually work. So they're actually fine. So I'm still looking for the United Kingdom UK VPN. Now I found it. So I'm choosing one. Like I choose one out of this. So I choose one and I connect it to it immediately. And you can see, set up your VPN. Now I'm going to set up my VPN on my phone. It's going to redirect me to my phone, where I can actually put in my passcode and set it up. So I have to allow my VPN. I have to open it on my settings, definitely. And I'll press allow, and it takes me to my settings where I can allow my VPN in my phone. So if it takes you to your settings, you're actually fine. So I put in my passcode and it's done. Now I'm going to press connect. So that button in the middle, connected. You can see it's connecting. Now I'm going to open it. You can open it to see how far your connection is. So look at it. We're going to open it now, and you can see 10 seconds connected. So this is how it's going to look like, guys. Now I opened up my screen. You see the VPN there? Yes, that box VPN. So make sure it shows at the top. Now that we have set the VPN on our phone, just easy. Like I said, we need two things: an email and a VPN. So now that we have both things, right now is the part where we start to create the brand new TikTok account. Watch this. So after setting up your VPN, my VPN is connected. You're going to check again, making sure it's connected and at the top of your phone screen, like I said before. So now you go to your brand new email that I have opened. Make sure the tab is opened down, like I just did. Make sure the brand new email is opened. Then now you go to your Chrome and look at your screen. You search www.tiktok.uk. So yes, you're gonna search it, www.tiktok.uk. Now, after you search it, actually going to come out where you see login, sign up. I'm going to search it again because I did not see login, sign up here. So I'm going to actually search it again. Make sure you don't be tired of searching it. Now I'm going to put UK. I didn't put UK before. So I'm going to put UK, sign up. Then I press UK, sign up there. Yes, UK, sign up, yes. And it now brought out exactly what I needed. So I'm going to press sign up, guys. Press sign up. Do not press login. Do not press continue with app. Just press sign up. Now I'm signed up. Is it I should continue app? I said no. Now I'm pressing sign up. I allowed. So when it says sign up, I press sign up, which is under there. Not this. Sign up, yes, there. Good. Now I'm going to use my email. Now it shows birthday. Put in a birthday. One thing advice is that you have to be older than 2000. Like, be older than 2023. Best. So you must not put in your direct age. Now you put in your date of birth. Just make sure you're like older, like 25, 26, 23. Now you're gonna put in your date of birth. Don't screenshot it for other purposes. You're gonna put in your email. Do not press autofill or do not press login with Chrome or Google. Make sure you write in your email with your hand. Write in your email, the brand new email you set up with your hand. As you can see, I'm writing mine. So I wrote mine. You write in the password you set up with your hand. As you can see on your screen, I'm writing mine. I'm writing the password I set up with my hand. So now make sure you screenshot that password. Open it and screenshot it. Now as I've screenshotted the password, they're going to ask for code. They're going to send code to your email. Like I said, make sure the tab is open, so that as they send it to your email, you can be able to. Don't press it, just look at the number and immediately go back to where your Chrome is and type the number in, because if this page closes, you can't be able to open it up again. It will be a problem. So make sure this tab doesn't close, so be quick about it. Now you're going to put in your username as a Star Coin Sister. I created 2 pages for Star Coin Sister, like I said. So go check us out on TikTok and follow us. That's a brand new page we created with this video. So yes, put in a good name. Make sure it's accepted. Yeah, we're kind of looking for the name that's accepted. Put in some underscore, because of I don't prefer numbers. I prefer underscore. If your name is not like it's already taken, give it an underscore, that dash there, so that it cannot be taken, and you see that it's actually going to go right now. So this is being created. I'm putting in my name with the underscore right there, and it is going. Yes, going. I'm actually figuring out how to actually do this quickly, so just stick around. So like I said, make sure you put in the right name, because of when you first create the page, it's actually going to enter the algorithm with that exact name. So now it's approved. So now that's approved, I'm going to press sign up immediately. So guys, you press sign up, and once you press sign up, you are logged into the brand new page. Once you are logged into the brand new page on TikTok, I want you to go to your TikTok app. Leave this page right now. As you can see, it has opened, and once it has opened for me, I am going to leave this page right now. Because of this page, you can't use the Chrome TikTok. So now, let's leave this page together and go to the app. Now you can see me. I'm going to log in the TikTok that I just created right now. I'm going to add account and log it in. Yes, I'm going to log in the TikTok on this TikTok app, the original TikTok app, not the TikTok Lite. Right? I repeat myself, not the TikTok Lite, but the TikTok app. So you log in the page here, you log in the email that you use or the username. Yes, very, very simple. And you press continue. And once you log in, that's basically it. You put in your password like I did. Basically, I'm putting in my password. Yeah. So put in your password. Like I said, make sure you screenshot your password just in case you're someone that forgets stuff. Do you understand? So now I've put in my password and and it's opening. It's gonna load, to give it time. Now it has opened. This is the account. It has been created. Now we're gonna check if this account is an original TikTok account. We're gonna check if this account is an original TikTok account. You go to your settings and privacy. You go to your account up there. See it there. You go to account. Now you go to account information. And once you see account information, you wait for it. You see account already region. You see United Kingdom. Now you have confirmed that you have successfully created your international TikTok account in the UK. That means this account can monetize. Now I'm going to show you that's all. That's it. Your account can be monetized. I wanted to show you where the monetization is. So just go to your TikTok studio. Right now, this is TikTok studio. I want to show you how to actually check for monetization. Like how to actually know where it all starts. Now, this is my TikTok studio of the original monetized TikTok account. As you can see, guys, this stuff is different. Now you look at it down there, you see my shop place, you see a marketplace. Look at it down, you see TikTok shop. Do we have all that in a Nigerian TikTok account? No, we don't. You see creators reward program. That's the program that pays us for our videos. You see live reward program. So that's all, guys. And do not allow contact because it doesn't make you go viral. So that's all, guys, and that's all for monetization. So guys, if you actually just created your brand new TikTok account, congratulations. As you can see, I laid it out step by step in the screen record on your screen to actually know exactly how to actually go about creating your international account. So guys, when it comes to monetization, because of the purpose of this international account is actually dollars, like actually money from wherever you are over the world. So if you actually want to know more about that, make sure you comment in the comment section. How can I create content to actually get 10,000 followers? What kind of content can I create? Like what kind of person should I be? But if you have stick around to this video to this point, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, guys. This is Star Queen Sisters. We want to give you guys more information on how you can actually change your finances in 2025. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.